Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the jack socket, the headphone jack in a Samsung Galaxy S10 phone. For this, we need any kind of round brush about 3 centimeters long that widens along its length. We also need isopropyl alcohol, specially purified. You can buy such brushes in a diffuser in a set on Allegro or Amazon. Otherwise, it just won't be possible to clean this socket without it, because it's round, so you'd have to figure something out to make it work, but you could end up making it worse than it was before, so it's better to just buy such a brush and use it. The phone must be turned off. Never clean it while it's turned on. We thoroughly soak the brush with alcohol along its entire length. We take the phone in our hand. Here we have the jack socket. Insert the brush all the way in as far as it will go and turn it to the right 5 times. Then turn it to the left 5 times. And pull it out. And there, when we repeat the same procedure about 5 times, you could say, and pull it out. We are going to repeat this exact motion 5 times in a row, just as I mentioned earlier, and by doing so, the metal contacts located deep inside the socket will be perfectly and thoroughly cleaned. If there happen to be any stubborn dirt, pocket lint, or any other debris stuck in there, this specialized brush will help us effectively scrub and remove it from the jack socket. This ensures that we have completely trouble-free access for the headphones to plug in securely, making sure that the connection is solid and everything works exactly as it should for a high-quality audio experience without any static or interruptions. After the procedure, we set the phone aside for about 5 to 10 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. After that, we can turn the phone on as usual and use it freely. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate your likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.